Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present our role play project for the English subject. This video will show a conversation between two IT professionals, a senior developer and a junior developer. In this role play, I will act as a Riski, the senior developer, and IT manager. And my partner will act as Anam, the junior developer or intern who just joined the company. In this conversation, we will cover self-introduction, technical discussion about hardware and software, and a briefing about the first project, the development of a new internal company website. We hope you enjoy watching our video. Let's begin the conversation. Hi Anam, good morning. You must be Anam, right?
Good morning, sir. Yes, I'm Anam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Anam. Welcome to Pair Company. How are you feeling on your first day?
I'm feeling a bit nervous, but also very excited to learn new things.
That's completely normal. We all been there. Don't worry. Our team is very supportive. You will get used to everything quickly.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
So, tell me a little bit about yourself. Where are you from and what's your background in IT?
I'm from Bekasi and I just graduated from Dian Nusantara University. I majored in informatic engineering. During my study, I worked on several projects, mostly simple website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
That's a great start. Do you have any experience with frameworks like React or Laravel?
I've tried React a bit in my final project, but I'm still learning.
Perfect. That's something we'll explore more here. By the way, I'm Rizky. I'm the senior developer and also the IT manager in this division. I've been with the tech pair for about 5 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. What kind of project do you usually handle, sir?
Mostly back-end system, internal dashboards, and network optimization. I usually start work at 8 p.m., check the system logs, and have a short meeting with the team at 9. After that, I focus on development or reviewing codes.
That sounds productive, sir.
Oh, before I forget, let me give your company email and access ID. Their official email is anam@techpair.com.
Got it. So I so create a GitHub account for company project.
Yes, you'll use the company repository. Your GitHub username will be anam_techpair, spell INAM dash techpair.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, have you received your company laptop yet?
Yes, I got it this morning. It's amazing. It feels much faster than my personal one at home.
Haha, that's good to hear. What specs do you get?
It has a Intel i7 processor and 16 gigabit RAM and 512 eh, gigabit SSD. My old laptop only had 8 gigabit RAM and a hard disk, so this one is definitely faster and smoother.
Yeah, SSD really makes a difference. The graphics are also better from end work.
Agree. The display looks sharper and everything loads faster than before.
Okay, now let's check what software you got installed.
I have Visual Studio Code, Git, Chrome, and Zoom. I still need to install Node.js, SMPP, and maybe Figma for design.
Good list. Make sure you install Node.js and GitHub Desktop. Those are the most useful tools for our web development. Also, we use Slack for communication and Jira for task management. Have you used Jira before?
Not yet, sir, but I'm familiar with Trello.
Perfect. It's quite similar. I'll send you the invitation link later today. So, currently, our team is working on upgrading the company internal portal. We are improving the dashboard design and adding analytic feature.
That sounds interesting, sir.
Yeah, but you have to follow some rules. You must back up your work daily to the cloud. You mustn't share any internal data outside the company network. You can test your code in the sandbox environment, but you can't deploy anything without approval.
Understood, sir. I'll make sure to follow all those rules carefully.
Good. Also, if your system crashes, you can contact the IT support team through the help desk portal. All right, let's talk about your first assessment. You'll be helping me analyze and plan the development of our new internal company website.
That sounds great, sir. What's the main purpose of this new website?
The goal is to create a centralized platform where employees can access company announcements, download forms, and submit IT or HR requests easily.
I see. Who will be who will be the main user of this site?
Mostly internal staff from IT, HR, and the management team.
Why do we need a new one if we already have the old portal?
Good question. The old portal, the old portal isn't responsive and lack analytic. We need something more user-friendly, modern, and integrated with our internal system. One important thing we will add is analytic so we can track how often employees log in, what page they use, and what content is the most viewed. For that, we might use a Google Analytics or Matomo, since they are reliable and privacy focused.
That makes sense. So I will study how to integrate Google Analytics into a web project.
Exactly. And don't forget to read about data visualization tools. They help in presenting insights better.
Sir, can you explain the basic steps of the website development process that will follow?
Of course, usually we go through the step 1. Requirement analysis. We gather what user needs. 2. Design phase. We create wireframes and UI designs. 3. Development. Front-end and back-end coding. 4. Testing. To find a bug, fix bug. Deployment. Launching the site to the server. 6. Maintenance. Giving an update and secure.
All right, that's clear. I'll start by analyzing user need first.
Good idea. I'll share the project brief with you later today. By the way, when designing, it's good to look at some benchmark website. Personally, I like Trello website. It's very user-friendly, responsive, and has a clean interface.
Yeah, I also like Notion website. It's a very intuitive and the layout adapts perfectly to mobile screens.
Exactly. Those are great example of good UX design. All right, Anam, that's all for today orientation. I'll send you on board documents, your account credential, and the website brief after this call.
Thank you very much, Soriski. I'm really happy to join the team.
You're welcome. Just remember, don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about something. We're here to help you grow.
I will, sir. Thanks again for your guidance.
Great. Let's have another meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. to review your internal plan for the website project.
Sure, I will prepare everything. See you tomorrow, sir.
See you, Anam. Welcome aboard. Coba gua cek dulu.